Have you ever found yourself in a situation where your credit score was a mystery? Perhaps you've applied for a loan or a credit card only to be denied, leaving you scratching your head. Or maybe you've heard rumors about a negative item on your credit report and want to investigate. Whatever the reason, reaching out to TransUnion Canada might be the solution you need. TransUnion Canada is one of the 3 major credit bureaus in the country. They collect and maintain information about your credit history, including your payment history, credit inquiries, and public records. This information is used by lenders to assess your creditworthiness. If you have concerns about your credit report or want to dispute any errors, contacting TransUnion Canada is essential. Methods to contact TransUnion Canada. 1. Online portal. Create an account. The most convenient way to interact with TransUnion Canada is through their online portal. You'll need to create an account using your personal information. Access your report. Once logged in, you can view your credit report, identify any errors, and dispute them. Secure messaging. The portal also allows you to send secure messages to TransUnion Canada's customer service. 2. Phone. Customer service number. TransUnion Canada provides a dedicated customer service phone number. You can call this number to speak with a representative about your credit report or any other concerns. Wait times. Be prepared for potential wait times, especially during peak hours. 3. Mail. Physical address. If you prefer to communicate via mail, you can send your correspondence to TransUnion Canada's physical address. Be sure to include all necessary information, such as your name, address, and account number. Additional tips. Gather information. Before contacting TransUnion Canada, gather all relevant information about your credit report, including any disputed items or specific questions you have. Be patient. The process of resolving credit disputes can take time. Be patient and follow the steps provided by TransUnion Canada. Monitor your report. After contacting TransUnion Canada, continue to monitor your credit report regularly to ensure that any errors have been corrected. In this video, we've explored the different methods to contact TransUnion Canada. Whether you prefer online, phone, or mail, there's a way to reach out and address your credit-related concerns. Remember, taking control of your credit is important. Don't hesitate to contact TransUnion Canada if you have any questions or need assistance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.